Hi, welcome to Nigel K's tomato growing video. It's now week 8 and we'll have a look at the plants. As I say, the plants seem to be still doing quite well. They're still a nice green in colour. Tomatoes are forming well. They're swelling and starting to get a good size. What we're going to discuss today is, for my tomatoes, I let them go to about 6 trusses high. So if we count, we've got truss 1, truss 2, truss 3, truss 4, truss 5, and the 6th truss there is just forming. So when that 6th truss becomes clear, so effectively when it becomes clear of the plant and there's more growth space there, and we've got 6 nice clear trusses, effectively what we're going to do is stop the plant. So we're going to stop the plant growing, and how we do that is we just get the centre tip like that, and we just nip the centre of the plant away like that. That stops it growing. What happens is, when the plant stops growing, when we nip the central growing point away, all the feed and goodness then starts to go into the tomatoes and not into the plant growing. If we let it carry on growing and growing and growing, more trusses would appear, but the tomatoes would become smaller and the tomatoes wouldn't swell and get bigger as they should do, because all the feed's going into the top. So for me, I let it go 6 trusses clear. Some people let it go 5, some people let it go 7, but I think 6 is a good number, and it gives you a nice sized plant, a good crop, and it keeps you going throughout the season with tomatoes. So once we nip the top out of there, what's going to happen, as we've said, all the goodness and all the feed goes into the tomatoes. So that's when the tomatoes really start to swell rapidly, when all the growth goes into swelling the tomatoes themselves. Jobs for this coming week, carry on as well, keep tapping your plants as well, tap your plants for depollinisation, be shaking the plants that way. Carry on feeding, feed twice a week with your tomato feed and water, and don't forget, feed once a week with your liquid seaweed. I won't be posting a video for another 2 to 3 weeks, because I think I want to be showing you the same type of thing. So when I come back in 2 to 3 weeks time, we'll have stopped the tomatoes, and hopefully you'll see a big difference in the size of them, because all the feed will be going into the tomatoes by then. So please tune back in another 2 to 3 weeks time. If you like us, follow or subscribe, and you don't miss any videos. Thanks very much. Bye bye.